Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be guiding you through how you can turn this blank dry erase board from Unisub into a colorful item through sublimation. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Let's get started. If you've ever felt that your dry erase boards are a little too plain to look at, Unisub has fortunately got you covered with their Sublimation dry erase boards. Now, we've previously covered how their aluminum boards can be easily customized, and these hardboard dry erase boards are just as simple and fun to decorate with your designs and images. Sporting a single side white gloss finish coated for sublimation, these Unisub boards are sure to present the colors of your transfers vividly. Available in multiple sizes from 7.5 by 9 to 9 by 12.5 inches, these items are perfect as a desk accessory at home or in the office. First, prepare the image or design you'd like to print within the imprint dimensions of the dry erase board. By using the Unisub template for a desired board from heatpressnation.com, you can make this process much easier through graphic design software, using its bleed layer as a clipping mask to import your images and design elements onto. Doing so will also leave you more room when placing and attaching your board on the printed transfer. As soon as your design is ready, you may print it through your Sublimation printer. If you're using a Sawgrass printer, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager and use these settings: substrate set to polyester, paper set to your paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and set the color mode in the color tab to either photographic or vivid depending on your transfer's level of detail. Once ready, go ahead and click Print on SPM. Now our transfer is ready to be applied onto a board. For Unisub's hardboard dry erase boards, your heat press will need to be set at 80 to 90 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. If you're planning on pressing multiple boards with a larger machine, be sure to add an additional 15 seconds for each additional board. Once your heat press reaches temperature, cover the lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper, then add your printed transfer on top, facing up. You can now add your board on top, removing any protective film beforehand and placing it face down towards the transfer. To keep it in place, you can attach it to the transfer using heat tape. Afterwards, flip your item with the paper side up. Cover it with another parchment paper sheet, then press. When the timer hits 0, open your machine and allow the transfer to cool down for a moment. Once cooled, quickly peel the transfer and your dry erase board has now been sublimated with your image. To learn more about Unisub's sublimation blanks, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to contact my expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.